Hey guys, you can see an outbound steam train coming in Richmond, Michigan, and it's a long one too. See an outbound steam train coming in Richmond, Michigan. Here it comes, guys. There's my route there. Here it comes. Yeah, here it comes. I'm guessing double stack, but we'll see when it comes. Alright guys, here it comes. Yeah, there it is. Here it comes, guys. I'm guessing it's double stack, but it is. There goes the gates. The gates still go down. It was parked because there was a southbound earlier. It wasn't the one me and Adam saw. It's the one at night time before this one. But now this one's moving. There goes the gates. Here it comes. Here it comes, guys. I'm gonna figure out how many engines and my type cars. It has to get close. Can't tell, hold on. One engine, it's double stacks. No, 2 engines, which brake? Which brake? I thought it was double stack because we were tall. Which brake? Alright, look at that. Cool. Alright. You might see it in Pyongyang. Alright guys, here's the train. It's looking cold, so I think it's all car haulers. Probably all car haulers. Alright guys. Enjoy the train. I'm gonna start filming right now. Yeah, I'm gonna walk over here. It's cold. It's a little icy too. I don't want to walk. I guess it's all, definitely. I'm guessing it's all car haulers. Probably all car haulers. Nothing else. Oh no, it's quick brake. Quick brake. Nice. Double stack. Yeah, I thought he did wave. He was waving. Got to agree. I don't know. I couldn't think which my steps were. I think first one I think it was 88 72. I think it was 88 72. Numbers. Alright. Oh, long train, guys. I'm gonna walk back over here. Awesome. We'll probably see it again in Pyongyang. Alright, I'm just gonna walk over here, okay? Enjoy it. Nice. That's a long train. Oh, sorry, I just looked a little too icy. Awesome. That's a long train, guys. It's going very slow. Trying to speed up a little bit, but 5 more days to Christmas. I hope you guys have a good Christmas break, and I hope you guys all have a good Christmas. And birthdays, too. That was pretty. Here. On. Nice. Nice, guys. That's a long 2 hours. Wow, 2 hours later, that's a long train. Holy crap. Long train. I don't see the end yet, but when I see the end, I'll let you guys know, okay? Alright guys, I'm just gonna walk back over here so I can get the gate and then go up, you know? Oh, there's something else. Coal cars, cool. Tuesday night. See you in the night. What the hell? Yep. Train. Oh, that's it. Here it goes. Hi guys. God. Alright. That's all for now.